Okay, so here's the other 10 packs. I didn't go through the artwork last time. That one's cool. Has that Rayquaza and Pikachu together. I got Snorlax and Eevee, Gengar and Mimikyu, and Venusaur and Jirachi. Awesome. This time I'm gonna try to open them up myself instead of pre-cut them. There's only 3 packs, so let's see if I can get better ones this time around. Alright, Joltik, ooh, Alolan Marowak, a reverse holo. Is that rare? Yes, it is rare. Awesome. Okay, so far so good. Maybe I can do a last pack magic again, just like yesterday. Alright, actually the one's a little bit easier to open than the regular packs. So, okay. Ooh, water memory. Reverse holo again. And it's a rare one too. Yeah, this one's going way better than the last one. Try not to see the cards before I open them. I want it to be a surprise. Okay. Let's see here. Can we keep the good luck going? Oh, Ferrothorn. That one's a rare. I know yesterday I missed a couple of the rares, which was that Beedrill I was talking about, and the Alolan Executor. So I actually did get a couple more rares out of those. Sorry for the noise outside. I'm trying to use natural lighting here. I know it's kind of annoying, sorry. Oh, we got Magikarp. Executive. I don't ever say that. Lavender Town. Okay. And I thought I'd put Togepi and Squirtle plushie that I got from Clawdy. For a pretty fun game. You can get some plush pretty cheap. Okay, Voltorb, a Squirtle, and a Judge Whistle. I think we're halfway through this one now. And once again, I apologize for the noise. It is kind of windy out today. Alright. Meowth. And Nanu. Come on, give me like a secret rare. That'd be awesome to pull out of a Dollar Tree pack. I wonder if that's ever happened or not. Leave it down in the comments if it has, or if you have, or what kind of good pulls you got out of a Dollar Tree pack. And Arena. I think I pulled the male version of that yesterday. Ooh, a nice reverse holo Ponyard. That's cool. It's not a rare, but hey, I'll take it. Okay, got 2 more packs left. Alright. Bronzor, Ninetales, and another energy. Okay, come on, last pack magic. I always see last pack magic happening for other people. It did happen to me yesterday. It was a nice Dragonite holo. Okay, there's that one again. Oh, Bisharp. That's a rare. And another energy. So, another 4 rare cards. A couple more holo. So, I'm happy. Now I need to go back and get more of the Dollar Tree packs. Leave a like if you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.